Here looks like a 62 Jaguar. Not for sale. Wood steering wheel. Driver's side, right side. European. Ooh, I like this car right here. There's a nice looking car right here. This is a, whatever it is, not for sale. Can't even pronounce it. It's Italian. This is a Jaguar, not for sale, 1953. I like this car. From Europe also. Steering on the right hand side. Looks like another Jaguar. Oh, wait a minute. Looks like the Blues Brothers right here. Oh, there's John Belushi.
So everyone can take home delivery. For collectors, history buffs, or anyone who loves cars, the auto collections at the Imperial Palace is a must-see Las Vegas attraction. Located on the 5th floor of the parking facility, open Saturdays and weekends at 5 today. There's always something new to see in the auto collection. Never stay at the Imperial Palace.
Porsche. See what it's going for. This one right here, 1966 911S, $160,000. Get out your pocketbook. This one's for sale. One here, 1981 Porsche 924 GTR race car, $350,000 for sale at Imperial Palace. There's another nice looking car right here. This is Sports Racer, 1954, $550,000 for sale at Imperial Palace. Look at that dash. Let me get closer on that. It's got the keys in it too. For a ride. Take it down Las Vegas Boulevard. Not for sale, Austin Healey, classic car. All these cars are classics. This is the largest antique, largest museum or place for antique cars in the country. There's Cadillac, 1959 62 Series 62 convertible, $145,000. Nice looking car. The back fins on this, the dash. Get a close up of the dash. Here's a Mustang Cobra. We'll get a close up. GT500 426 Cobra Jet. This car is $185,000. Take a look at that motor. Look at how clean that motor is. Unbelievable. Another Mustang. It's like 60s Rolls Royce. Old Rolls Royce. Let's see how much this white one is here. Not for sale. There's another Rolls Royce. One here, 1960. Rolls Royce Phantom V, James Young, whatever. Sedanke DeVille, 1,500,000 for sale at Imperial Palace. Look at the back window on this one here. This is Vegas Bob in Las Vegas, Nevada. Just bringing you the car showing at Imperial Palace. Look at that dash. Look at this car right here. I think this is a Rolls Royce. Look at this dash. Convertible. You get a close up of that dash. Mercedes. Benz right here. This is the one I had the close up of the dash. Mercedes Benz. Beautiful car. Convertible. Some more cars. Jaguar. Old convertible Jaguar. Here's an old Porsche. Newer Porsche, older Porsche. I like these cars. Boxers, I like them convertible. This one here, 65,000, 1961. This car right here, not for sale. It is a 1961 Aston Martin. This car right here, not for sale. 1966 Spider prototype. Not for sale. Mustang. Rolls Royce. Volkswagen. This is a weird looking thing here. This here, I don't know what this is. Some type of a whatever. Let's take a look here. Got some engine in the front. Three-wheeler. Two wheels in the front. Looks European. Display. 1936 Morgan Super Sport. Three-wheel Super Sport. Could be used for sport racing. Some old jukeboxes.